Have you ever been rejected so hard that it made you question your worth? Maybe it was someone you loved, a job you wanted, or a friend who walked away. You stared at the ceiling that night, wondering, why wasn't I enough? But what if I told you that rejection isn't punishment? It's a mirror that reflects your strength, your direction, and your destiny. Today, we dive deep into the reverse psychology of rejection and how to use it to your advantage through the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and the art of Stoicism. Stay till the end, because these 3 lessons might just change how you handle pain forever. Lesson number 1. The hidden power behind rejection. You were not denied, you were redirected. Marcus Aurelius once said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Rejection feels like a wall, but in reality, it's a signpost. It's the universe's way of saying, not here, there. Think about it. Every person who walked away from you, every door that slammed shut, pushed you toward the path that was actually meant for you. Most people beg for validation. They chase acceptance, thinking rejection is failure. But Stoicism teaches us something different. The more you need someone's approval, the more power you give them over you. The moment you stop chasing, people start noticing. When you stop needing, you become wanted. When you're rejected, don't chase. Don't explain. Don't beg. Detach with dignity, because your silence speaks the language of power. Rejection doesn't define your value. It reveals theirs. Lesson number 2. Detach. Don't react. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his Meditations, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Rejection tests one thing, your reaction. And this is where reverse psychology plays its most powerful trick. When you react emotionally, you give others control over your peace. But when you stay calm, collected, and indifferent, you confuse them. They expect you to break. But instead, you rise. That's the secret of Stoic men. They don't chase validation. They command respect. Let's be real. In relationships, when you walk away calmly instead of pleading, it burns deeper than anger ever could. Because silence is the loudest response. That's the reverse psychology of self-respect. When you don't try to prove your worth, you automatically become more valuable. The moment you stop trying to convince someone of your value, you remind them they were lucky to have had your presence at all. When rejection hits, breathe. Let it bruise your ego, but not your soul. Let your calmness be your counterattack. Lesson number 3. Transmute rejection into strength. Rejection can either break you or build you, and that choice is always yours. Marcus Aurelius faced betrayal, political failure, and loss, yet he never collapsed. He wrote, "If it is endurable, then endure it." Stop complaining. That's not coldness, that's wisdom, because he understood one thing. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. When life rejects you, don't resist, redirect. Use that pain as energy. Let the no fuel your next move. Every time you've been rejected, you were being refined. You were being sculpted into the version of yourself that others couldn't see yet. The truth, most people who reject you today will watch your glow from afar tomorrow, but by then, you'll be too busy shining to notice. Rejection doesn't mean you weren't enough. It means life is shaping you for something greater. Next time someone walks away, don't see it as loss. See it as clarity. When they leave, you gain direction. When they ignore, you gain focus. When they reject, you gain freedom. The person who walks away from what doesn't serve him never truly loses. You are not rejected. You are redirected. You are not broken. You are becoming unshakable. And that is the reverse psychology of Stoicism. If this message resonated with you, be the calm in the storm. Be the one who turns rejection into power.